Am I really that much to handle? Breaking these niggas down like a camel. You don't really to throw you out.
I had to cut some niggas off, they didn't mean me no good. I come from the ghetto, so my trunk is in my hood. She wouldn't wear no panties around me, even if she could. Gave out plenty spankings till they got it understood. Fuck the nosebleeds, baby, come sit on this wood. If you know it's tension, don't come around me like it's good. I got street smart, so you can't get this out no book. I can't right my wrongs, but I can still write these hooks.
All time to get exposed, gang. Banned from around here, nigga, come get off your show, savage. Say you pussy and he hit it on the nose, but that border's open while you acting like it's closed, I don't know. I be going in and out recessions the same way that I be going in and out of Texas, or in and out my sessions, or in and out her best friends, or in and out these courtrooms, my lawyer like objection.
Yeah, whoa. All my bitches Spanish, Boricua. Water on my neck, these diamonds came with coral reefer. She from overseas, I had to buy her a new visa. Met your wife in Vegas, but I hit her in Ibiza. She a supermodel, so she only eat Caesar. Used to date a rapper, but he acted like a diva. Niggas hustling backwards, out here ballin' with the Rhea.
Powder Adderall, I feel like I could lift a tree up.
See too many cameras, so I never lift my ski up. I jump on your song and make you sound like you the feature.
I jump on your song and make a label think they need you. For real.
On that bush, 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 on that bush.
Damn. Maybe I should do a 20. Maybe I should break that 20, do a 10. Maybe I should break that 10, do a 5. Then if it gets live, do a 5 again. If he held his tongue on that live, he'd be alive again. Damn. My uncle's sister knows she raised a real one, ill one. It's been 30 minutes, I don't feel none. Oh shit, wait a minute, think I'm starting to build, son. Where you get this motherfucking pill from? Heard they got some sanctions on my name. Heard they plotting on my name. Heard they banking on my name. I got leader in this bitch and he might spank it on the lane. I'm just in the cut, throwing frankers on her frame. I'm a gentleman, I'm generous. I blow $500,000 on you hoes. I'm a feminist. I never put no prices on the beef until we end the shit. I pay $500,000 for his soul. He my nemesis.
On that bush, 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 on that bush.
Now I'm on. It's midnight.
I done bought the coupe. Woo-woo. I done did the robbing. I done did the jacking. Now I'm full rapping. I put on my brothers. I put on my bitch. Had to wear the dress, cause I had a stick. You know where the bag at? Tell me where it is. I came from rest, the riches on the shit. I can no longer disguise a bitch, cause I'm rich. I got cause a lot of bitch, cause I'm rich. I escaped everyone in the list, cause I was supposed to be rich. I don't care about no cop, I'm telling you just how it is. Put it in a Uber, send it to a shooter. Ask me how to do it, kicking shit right you can. Put it in a cab, send it to a neighbor. Hit him with the net now, last whole body scale. Cash on delivery, hey, go talk of the century. Oh, no time for gibberish. All the criterious, all the bitches lipstick, and the pussy slippery. I can call a troop, go by the name of Duke. Can't never kick a roof. I can send a roof. Niggas on the chain, but they ain't worried before. I'ma keep on spinning till they tell me ooh. Ooh, ooh, down the street the roof. Ooh, ooh, I done bought the coupe. Ooh, ooh, I done did the robbing. I done did the jacking. Now I'm full rapping. I put on my brothers. I put on my bitch. Had to wear the dress, cause I had a stick. You know where the bag at? Tell me where it is. I came from rest, the riches on the shit. I can no longer disguise a bitch, cause I'm rich. I got cause for all of bitch, cause I'm rich. I escaped everyone in the list, cause I was supposed to be rich. I don't care about no cop, I'm telling you just how it is. I don't gotta throw you shit like Captain. I got 7 bitches with me, Captain. Yeah, R.I.P. Nipsey, I can tell you how to get rich. I can tell you how to die or how to live in this bitch. I can tell you how to talk the most impeccable shit. I can show you how to walk like you got decimal, bitch. Show you how I can get the top from all the top 10 bitches. I got white outer raws, I had my sin. I got lights on, baby, I got mouse in this bitch. No flats on, caught you like your mouse in this bitch. Roll tycoon, and I took 2 losses, you bitch. I'm a boss, but I don't like to take a loss in this bitch. Such a player, but I can't get caught on all of my bitches. I got layers, I got millions, I got all types of villains. Fuck around and add a pussy nigga out like Nina. Last nigga tried me, almost got popped in it. Ask the cops, ask the detectives, they know all the business. Ask the cops and the detectives, all the jurisdictions. Ask the kids at school who done mission, all the mission. Gave the lawyer close to 2 million, he handled all the killings. I don't know it, I don't wanna know who large business. I don't know what's going bro, I think they all spinning. Don't speak about shit on wax, it's all my business. We known to kill the biggest cats of all kids.
Weezy out of it.
Dynasty the roof. Ooh, ooh. I done put the proof. Ooh, ooh. I done did the robbing. I done did the jacking. Now I'm full rapping. I put on my brothers. I put on my bitch. Had to wear the dress, cause I had a stick. You know where the bag at? Tell me where it is. I came for rest, the riches on the shit. I can no longer disguise a bitch, cause I'm rich. I got cause with all the bitch, cause I'm rich. I escaped everyone in the list, cause I was supposed to be rich. I don't care about no cop, I'm telling you just how it is.
We've been done long before it all begun. Still can't give it up. Lead me on, but leave before the morning comes. Even though it's what we want, can't keep it up. But I just don't wanna leave you. Might just go with the reasons why we both can't lay here. And secret, both gotta keep it honest. That's just a game, you know. We both can play. For tonight, I'm yours. So deny the truth, or stay behind closed doors. Cause all I wanna do is lie with you. Even though it's wrong to lie with you. We've become numb to what we know is wrong, but no one knows but us. The feelings rush every single time we touch. Even though it's what we want, can't keep these up. No, but I just
don't play with it, don't be dishonest. Ay, still not